Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that little bell so you'll know whenever a new video is released. Thank you. The video you're about to see is part of my TINAR series. TINAR stands for This Is Not About Religion. TINAR. In this series, I explore words and ideas that many people often associate with religion. Words like faith and belief, spirit, or even that deeply charged word, God. I use the word source instead of the word God, but let me be very clear. I'm not speaking about any particular faith. I'm not promoting any religion. What I share here goes beyond religion. It's about the energy, the essence, and the truth that connects us all, beyond boundaries and labels. So I invite you to take off your religious thinking cap and listen from a broader, more open, and inclusive perspective. If that doesn't feel comfortable, that's okay. This series may not be for you, and that's okay too. But if you are ready to explore life, energy, and consciousness in a whole new way, then welcome. You're in the right place. Enjoy. There comes a time in life when we're called to take a leap of faith, a moment when something inside of us says, it's time for a change. Maybe it's leaving a job, moving to a new place, starting a business, or opening your heart to a new relationship. And yet, right when that desire shows up, so does fear. Fear whispers, what if it doesn't work out? What if you fail? Oh, but what if you succeed? But here's the truth. That fear is often the biggest thing standing between you and the life you're meant to live. Don't allow fear to paralyze your dreams. When you feel that fear, remind yourself to think about what could go right instead of what could go wrong. We've been conditioned to expect the worst. When something happens, we say, "What's wrong?" instead of, "What's right?" We've been trained to look for the problem instead of the possibility. But what if this time you flip that? What if you train your mind to expect good things, to prepare for things to go well, because they can, and they will, when you align your energy with faith instead of fear. Now, sometimes it's not just our own fear that holds us back. It's the voices around us, family, friends, coworkers. They mean well, but they often say things like, "Are you sure that's a good idea? I know someone who tried that and it didn't work out." They think they're protecting you from disappointment, but what they're really doing is projecting their own fear. You don't need that energy. You need belief, belief in yourself and in the vision that calls you. So, instead of preparing for failure, prepare for success. Say to yourself, I am going to succeed. This is going to go well. I am ready for this next step. When small hurdles come up, and they will, don't let them stop you. Obstacles don't mean you made the wrong choice. They mean you're growing. Keep the faith. Stay focused on your goal and how good it feels to move toward it. Because the moment you believe things will go well, the universe begins to line up the people, the opportunities, and the circumstances to make it happen. That's the power of faith. Believing in something before you see it. Knowing it's already unfolding, even if it hasn't arrived yet. Now, there's another side to this, and it's an important one, and we touched on it briefly. It's about creating the boundaries that help silence the naysayers. That's exactly what I'll be diving into in next week's video, so be sure to join me then. But in the meantime, take that leap. Don't let fear, doubt, or anyone else's opinion hold you back. You've got everything you need to create the life you desire. Believe it. Feel it. Expect it to go well, because it can. That's what faith is. As I said before, it's believing in something before it shows up and knowing deep down that it's already on its way. Take your leap and trust it's going to work out beautifully. Blessings to all of you. Bye.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for being here. If something in today's message spoke to you and you're ready to make lasting changes in your life, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a complimentary discovery call at sunnytlc.com or just email me directly. My email is sunny@sunnytlc.com. Let's see if we can work together in creating the life you truly desire. Because remember, the power is within you. Until next time, peace, love, and blessings.